In today's video, we're breaking down how to use Grasshopper Bank for business banking online. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're starting a business or switching from a traditional bank to something more modern, it can be really hard to figure out where to even begin. Most business accounts feel like they're built for massive companies, not solopreneurs, freelancers, or small teams just trying to get moving quickly. Grasshopper is one of the newer names in the digital banking world, and it's built specifically for businesses that operate mostly online. So whether you're just getting your LLC set up or you're running a growing digital brand and need better tools, I'm going to walk you through how to use Grasshopper. So first off, what is Grasshopper and who is it for? Grasshopper Bank is a fully digital FDIC insured bank that offers business checking and savings accounts designed for small businesses, solopreneurs, and digital first entrepreneurs. There are no physical branches, and everything from opening your account to transferring funds is done entirely online. What makes Grasshopper stand out is that it's not trying to be a jack of all trades. It's specifically tailored for lean, modern businesses, freelancers, agencies, coaches, online store owners, anyone who doesn't need to walk into a bank branch to get support. It's really simple, it's efficient, and it's built to support the way digital first businesses operate today. Step 1, how to open a Grasshopper business account. To get started, all you have to do is click our exclusive link down in the description below. Once you get there, you'll click Get Started. From here, you can select what you would like to open. So you can do a small business checking, a startup checking, small business savings, startup savings, SBA lending, and venture capital and private equity. So what you can do is go ahead and click small business checking. The entire application process is online and usually takes less than 10 minutes. You'll need to enter your business information, things like your business name, structure, and your employer identification number, EIN. If you're a solopreneur, you can just use your social security number instead, but for LLCs or corporations, make sure you have that EIN ready before starting. Once you submit your application, Grasshopper will review it and typically give you an answer really quickly. I got my email in about 10 to 15 minutes, so it was super quick. There's no hard credit pull involved, which means your personal credit score won't be affected. After approval, you'll need to deposit a minimum of $100 to actually activate your account. This is the only deposit requirement. There's no ongoing minimum balance and no monthly fees after that. Step number 2, getting paid and receiving transfers. After your account is open, you're ready to start receiving payments. So you'll be issued a routing number and account number that work just like any other bank. You can use those to accept ACH transfers, link up with payment platforms like Stripe or PayPal, or set up direct deposits from clients, vendors, or business marketplaces. One of the standout features is that incoming ACH transfers and domestic wire transfers are completely free. That means when clients pay you or platforms like Shopify deposit your sales, you get the full amount. There are no hidden fees eating into your revenue. Grasshopper also integrates with platforms like QuickBooks and Autobooks, making it super easy to automate your bookkeeping and invoicing. And if you prefer to handle invoices inside your bank, Grasshopper's built-in invoicing tool lets you create, send, and track payments without needing a third-party service. Once your client pays, the funds go directly into your checking account, clean and simple. Step number 3, making payments and managing expenses. Grasshopper provides a business debit card linked directly to your checking account. You can use this card in store or add it to your digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay for mobile transactions. It's a real debit card that functions just like what you're used to, but with some added benefits. One of those benefits is 1% cash back on eligible debit purchases as long as you maintain a $10,000 average daily balance. That means if you're using the business card for tools, subscriptions, or paid ads, you can earn a little money back without doing anything extra. Grasshopper also supports bill pay, ACH transfers, and wire payments directly from your dashboard. Domestic wires cost $10, international wires cost $25, and incoming international wires have a small $5 fee. For most businesses, ACH transfers and debit card payments will cover nearly everything, and those are included for free. A few more steps until I actually get into the walkthrough and show you the platform. Step number 4 is earning interest on your balance. Here are some things you don't usually see with a business checking account, which is interest. Grasshopper's Innovator business checking account earns interest on your cash balance, which is very rare. If you're holding less than $25,000 in your account, you'll earn 1.0% APY. If your balance sits between $25,000 and $250,000, you'll earn 1.8% APY. And then anything above that $250K drops back to 1%. This tiered system means your idle cash isn't just sitting there, it's working for you. For businesses that keep a cushion for taxes, emergency funds, or future expenses, earning interest passively on that money is just such a nice bonus. Step number 5 is using the business savings account. So Grasshopper also offers a business savings account with even higher interest rates, up to 3.5% on this balance over $25,000. This account is structured more like a money market, giving you high yield growth without locking your money into a CD or requiring buying a separate investment platform. Like the checking account, the savings account has no monthly fees and you can easily move money between your accounts from inside the dashboard or app. If you're serious about keeping your business financially healthy, this is a really smart way to build a tax reserve, rainy day fund, or simply earn more from your excess cash. Step number 6, tracking and organizing your finances. Staying organized is where Grasshopper really helps you cut down on stress. Inside the dashboard, you'll find an overview of your balances, transactions, invoice statuses, and payment history, which I'll show you where to find those in a second. Everything is laid out very clean, minimal interface, no clutter or confusing navigation. And like I mentioned before, if you're using accounting tools like QuickBooks, you can sync your Grasshopper account automatically via Plaid. That means less manual entry, fewer errors, and more time to focus on growing your business. Okay, so once you are logged in, you can see we've got the dashboard, accounts, transfer, document support, and other tools. So this is also where your checking account and account numbers will be. So as you can see, they've got a little welcome to Grasshopper setup experience. So you can add team members, you can download the app, you can set up multi-factor authentication and link external accounts. If you want to transfer, all you would do is have to click transfer funds, and then you just click right here to send or receive funds from your own internal, external accounts. All accounts must be in your name and or business name. If you want to see your accounts, you just click there and they will all appear. Again, if you want to transfer, you can also come up here. If you want to look at any documents, you can come in here. You can also come in here for support. They've got send a secure message, email, and phone number, which is really nice. Then they've got a bunch of frequently asked questions right here as well. If you want to order checks, deposit cash or check, debit cards, external accounts, etc. And then they've got some other tools here. So they've got trends. So you can see your net worth, your budget, spending, history, debts, and accounts, which is really cool. They also have something called dual approvals. So this is when you have, multiple users in here. You can set up an approval process, which is also really cool. You can set up real-time alerts, perks and partners, card management. So what I really like about it is how easy and just clear the UI is. It's really easy to use and really straightforward, and there's no guessing where each tool is that I need to use. It's very clearly laid out. So again, if you want to check them out, I've left that link down in the description below. You can get signed up. It took me about 10-15 minutes to get approved, and then I was in. So just a couple of things to know before you actually jump in. So Grasshopper does not support cash deposits. If your business regularly accepts cash, you'll need a second account elsewhere to handle that. You also can't write physical checks through Grasshopper. Payments are all digital via ACH wires or debit card. Customer service is available Monday through Friday during business hours. If you run into an issue over the weekend, you'll need to wait for support until Monday morning. Not a deal breaker, but it is really good to know. And lastly, there's no overdraft protection, but also no overdraft fees. If a payment tries to go through and your balance is too low, the transaction will just be declined. So is Grasshopper right for your business? If you run a digital first business and you want a banking experience that's actually designed for you, Grasshopper is definitely worth looking into. There's no monthly fees, cash back, high yield interest, free incoming transfers, and built-in invoicing, which makes this a very powerful option for solopreneurs, consultants, agencies, and online brands. If your business relies on in-person banking, handles cash, or requires a lot of international wires, you may need a supplementary bank. But for most lean and growing businesses, Grasshopper really simplifies banking and saves you so much time. It's fast to open, simple to use, and flexible enough to grow with you. As a personal side note, I know how frustrating it can be to find a bank that actually understands the way you run your business. Between outdated tools and endless fees, traditional banks just don't cut it anymore. Grasshopper is such a refreshing change. So if Grasshopper sounds like a good fit, that link is down below, and that will bring you to the most up-to-date details. So make sure you read through it whenever you watch this. I do want to note that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. That wraps up this video. This channel is here to help solopreneurs, creators, and small business owners find tools that make life easier. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.